Welcome, today I am in Fiat 500 and I will show you how you can connect your Android smartphone with this car. So at first we have to grab our smartphone and then we have to go for the Bluetooth settings. We have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then we have to go for our display in the car and we have to go for phone and then tap on the settings. Next we have to click to add new device. Right now we have to go back to our smartphone. You have to keep that screen open on your car and then you have to take a look on the available devices list. So you have to basically wait until your car, name of your car will pops here, but you can make it a little bit faster, so you can go for the right upper corner and just refresh the search. So now just wait a little bit. We can refresh one more time because it takes too much time. Okay, as you can see right now, it's here. So there's Uconnect and some kind of the letters. So let's tap on it. And right now we have to accept pair on our smartphone and also on our car. So click yes. Right now just wait a little bit. Right now the pairing is successful, so we can make this favored. I'm going to click no, and we can also enable to download our phone book and recent calls, but I don't want to make it, so I'm going to skip. And as you can see right now we are finally connected. For example, we can make calls, send messages, or just play music, whatever you want. So that's how you can pair your Android smartphone with your Fiat 500. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.